Hi all, welcome to the tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explore text shape in Edit Design. Let's select a photo. We will directly go to the Edit Design view. We have an empty design here. Touch the alphabet button to show the list of fonts. I can scroll through the fonts or touch one of the alphabet indexes to narrow down to the font of interest. I want to use Lobster font, so I will touch M and scroll to the font and select it. Then Add Text view is displayed. I will enter the text. Increase the size a bit and add. I can manipulate this text object just like any other shape. Rotate it, resize it, flip it. Long press the selected text to show the Update Text view. I will now change the font, text, and the size. Touch Change Font to select a different font. Change the text. Change the size and click Update. I have demonstrated very basic capability of the text object, and it will show you more advanced features in future tutorials. That is all for now. Thank you for watching.